Let's make Trinidad stew chicken the way that I like making it. We're using some Trinidad Green Seasoning, getting that into the dish. I like a little bit of extra onions in mine, so I'm going to add some onions to this. We are going to season with some black pepper and some salt. And it's as easy as that. We are going to mix this all together. And if you want to use your hands, go right ahead to get this all marinated well. But that's what you're doing here. Just stir, stir, stir until you get all that lovely green seasoning into every single piece. There you have it, folks, our Trinidad stew chicken. Give this recipe a try and tell me what you think.